Plan your trade and trade your lot. Napansin mo doon sa P&L natin is may mga araw din tayo nagtitrade. Pero mga araw na ito mo, nung Holy Week 17, 18, 19, 20. Trade. We did not trade there. So what I mean by that is, hindi mo kailangan mag-trade araw-araw. Hindi mo kailangan mag-trade araw-araw. Pag meron mga breakout, continuation, doon mo papasok. Pag busy ka, may ginagawa, you don't need to trade. Okay? 1 hour a day. I-dedicate mo charting 1 hour a day. No? Dedicate mo lang yan sa business mo. Kumbaga, if you're a full-time employee, allocate ka ng isang oras. Itong isang oras na ito ay pang trading life ko lang. O, chart ka lang. Chart. Kung meron kang makita, meron kang confluence, pasukan mo. Kung wala, you don't need to trade. Kung busy ka, no need to trade. Kung may ginagawa ka, no need to trade. Meron kang sa CR ka, no need to trade. Diba? Meron kang meeting, meron kang Holy Week, papahinga ka, no need to trade. Pag wala ka sa trading zone, no need to trade. The only time that you can trade is when you have a plan. No? Plan your trade and trade your lot.